Hey there! In this video, we're going to explore the difference between tax-exclusive and tax-inclusive pricing in Xero, and how to set these up when creating an invoice. Let's dive right in. First, let's start by creating a new invoice. From your Xero dashboard, head over to the Business menu and select Invoices. Here, we're creating a new invoice for a customer, and we'll see two important options when adding items, tax-exclusive and tax-inclusive. Let's check out what they mean. When you select tax exclusive, it means the price you enter for the item does not include tax. So you're entering the base amount before tax is added. For example, if you're charging $100 for an item and the tax rate is 15%, the invoice will show $100 for the item, and then $15 tax will be added on top. So, with tax-exclusive pricing, the final total will be $115, where $100 is the item cost and $15 is the tax amount. Now, let's switch to tax-inclusive. With tax-inclusive pricing, the amount you enter already includes tax. For example, if the price is $115 and the tax rate is 15%, Xero will automatically calculate that the pre-tax amount is $100 and tax is $15. So, with tax-inclusive pricing, the total price remains $115, but it's understood that the $115 already includes $15 worth of tax. As you can see here, the difference in the final amounts can be significant, depending on which method you use. Tax-exclusive gives you a base price plus tax, whereas tax-inclusive gives you the total price with tax already included. Switching between tax-exclusive and tax-inclusive in Xero is super simple. When you're creating your invoice, you can select the tax rate for each line item and choose whether to include tax or not. Make sure your tax settings are set up correctly in Xero's tax settings under your organization settings. This will allow you to select the right tax treatment for your business and customers. So, to summarize, tax-exclusive means the price doesn't include tax, and tax is added on top. Tax-inclusive means the price you enter already includes tax. Understanding the difference can help you create accurate invoices and ensure your pricing aligns with your customers' expectations. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more Xero tips. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below and we'll be happy to help.